On top inside Edo today, Obaseki don inaugurate members of board for Edo as he don swear in new local government chairman for EDOSACA East. Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki don inaugurate new members for board for Edo State, and on top dis one, na im take swear in new local government chairman for EDOSACA East. He tell dem say dem sabi say e no easy to select members for board, and no be im hand im take select dem as e be say dem name e pass clear matter. Obaseki tok say for members wey dey internal revenue, work dey ground gidigba for dem for next year as goment need put eye for wetin oyinbo dey call internally generated revenue. Dat na di money wey be say na di state na im go carry am comot. E come tok on top wetin Edo State don do to grow economy deve for di state as e tok say dis board members dem dey need work with dem.
As you are all aware, the process of selecting members of boards for people to serve government were not solely determined by me. We went through a process, and that process produced all of you. For the Board of Inland Revenue, next year and going forward is going to be a really, really difficult one for the country. As you have seen, oil prices continue to drop, federal receipts continue to go down, but population keeps increasing, and the services demanded by our people keep going up. Therefore, if we are to survive as a government, our emphasis must now be on local revenue generation. That is, our ability to generate revenue entirely from our own states. Fortunately, we are all witnesses to the level of economic growth that we are now witnessing. Just drive around in the city, the amount of traffic is unprecedented. It shows that there is increasing economic activities, and I'm optimistic that because of the improving economic environment, we should be able to increase our IGR. One of you is not a stranger to the board, was there before. You know what we did in the past, and I'm certain that with the experience and commitment we are bringing there, we should be able to achieve our IGR targets without any struggle.
We can see Governor sit talk on top SACA, that na state agency for the control of HIV/AIDS. As e be say dem inaugurate the members for this board too. E tell dem say the work wey dem go do to carry HIV matter comot for the state, e go waka far pass the way they don first do before. As e be say Edo State don first record ogbonge thing wey dem don do, as the number wey dem get before na 4.1%, and this one don waka go down, don reach 1.8.
For the board of the SACA, State Agency for Control of HIV and AIDS, I hope and I am sure that we will do what we want. We have recorded significant wins in the past few years, and our HIV/AIDS prevalence rate has dropped from 4.1% to 1.8%. Your task is to reduce our prevalence rates, like I said, to below the national average. I would like it to be below 0.5%, and that means you have to intensify your focus on continued advocacy, access to relevant information, access to HIV testing services, and to treatments, care, and support for people who are currently living with the virus. I want to assure you that as a government, we will give you all the assistance and all the support for you to accomplish.
Governor Godwin Obaseki follow members of Edo State Waste Management Board talk as e be say dem inaugurate 6 members for this board. He tell dem say work dey ground for dem to do for the state as e be say Edo State need to clean and neat for high well. Now on top this one, na im take swear in new local government chairman for EDOSACA East local government area for the state. Dat na Honourable Mrs. Benedicta Ebuehi. He tell am say im sabi her well unto say she be person wey dey carry work put for mind, and im don follow her work before. He tell us say EDOSACA East local government area na one of the local government for Edo State wey be say work dey gidigba for them to do, and he talk say government no go take katakata on top corruption matter for local government level. Governor Godwin Obaseki come use this opportunity to take follow all the board members wey dem inaugurate talk say Edo state government wey dey under im administration no go give room for any katakata, the one wey be say corruption dey, mago or tiffy as e be say anybody wey dem gbab on top dis kind katakata im eye go face better justice.
With the inauguration of the 6-member waste management board, our goal is to make Edo State the cleanest state in Nigeria. That such that the cleanliness of our cities and the freshness of our air are the features we would like the first time visitor any of our cities to stop. The situation in cities like Mekong, places in Auchi where I was yesterday, are just simply unacceptable. Simply unacceptable. Environmental cleanliness is now a priority. Many more people are visiting Edo, and when they come, we do not want them to give that the impression that we are being anti-you. We are going to work with you and launch a massive campaign on environmental cleanliness. I expect nothing short of from all of you in terms of commitment to your assignment. For the chairman of EDOSACA local government, I personally have worked with you for the last 10 years. And I know your capacity and level of competence. You have, outside Oregon, you are the local government with the largest single investments in those states. It means that the local government must come up to power. You know why we removed the successor office. We will not want to see any of those bad behavior to improve. Let me emphasize again that any local government will be fined an acceptable rate of corruption as currently was had before. We will deal with it well. Local governments cannot be center of corruption in government.
I wish to thank sincerely the executive governor of Edo State for finding me worthy to serve the people of Isako East. Your Excellency, sir, your record is there for everyone to see. I don't even know where to start from. Is it in our primary schools? Is it the infrastructural development? Is it roads? You know, wherever we look in Edo State, your legacy is speaking. So I want to borrow, if you don't mind, your name, the way I see Governor, that you permit me that at the Isako East level, I want to be known as the way can see local government.
Now here we see the ogbonge informate reach on top inside Edo today as Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki don inaugurate members for board for Edo State. And the board now for SACA, that na state agency wey dey on top HIV/AIDS control matter. And also you see inaugurate members put for Edo State Waste Management Board and for EIRS, Edo Internal Revenue Service. And on top this one, I take Tanda Gidigba, new chairman for Isako East local government area for the state. Make una come sabi say this ogbonge and clear informate, so na T Live Media na in the knack and give una on top inside Edo today. And to continue to get this ogbonge and sharp informate, make una no forget to like, comment and subscribe for our YouTube channel for T Live Media TV. Now, if you still follow us, waka enter Facebook, Instagram and Twitter for T Live Media. And our website, Sidon Gidigba, for www.tlivemedia.com.